Hi guys and welcome to another video. In today's video we are going to do the review of Hyundai Verna SX variant. तो गाइस जैसे भी Hyundai आई है, जब भी आपको कोई भी कार चाहिए वो Hyundai की, और भैया से मिलिए। भैया क्या नाम है आपका?
गोविंद नाम।
गोविंद भैया से मिलिए। और अगर आप लखनऊ में रहते हो, जैसे Hyundai की गाड़ी लेनी है, Hyundai की लेनी है, तो जैसे Hyundai में गोविंद भैया से मिलिए ना। Wait a minute guys, I have made a gaming channel named as Super Wook. You'll get the link in the description as well as in the I button. So make sure to subscribe that, and I'll post there very good gaming content. So make sure to subscribe it. And now let's continue with the review. तो चलिए गाड़ी की रिव्यू अब बनाते हैं। Now if you see the front look, so it is a bit linear. And let's go to the front grille. So here is the front grille along with some chrome accents. Here is the Hyundai logo, and here is the place to keep your number plate. Here is some scuff plate type of treatment, and here is the projector headlamps, and here are the projector fog lamps as well. So the front look looks like that, and let's go to the side look. So here is the side look of the car, and if you'll see the alloy wheels, so they look nice. Let's go to them. They are the 195/55 R16, and if you'll see the ORVM, here is the LED indicator, and this chrome garnish goes from the starting till the end of the car, and here are the chrome handles as well along with the request sensor. So the whole side look looks something like that, and this car is so linear which makes it so premium, and there is the shark fin antenna as well. And if we'll go to the rear look, so here are the LED tail lamps, and if you'll see the proper rear look of the car, so it looks something like this. Here is the SX variant Beijing. Here you can see the tail lamps, and this is the automatic boot function. So if you will see that I am standing behind the car, so the boot will open automatically. So let's see the boot. It's so big, quantity of boot space you will see over here. I'll write it, and let's see the spare wheel. So the spare wheel is a steel wheel, and here is some storage as well. So let's close the boot, and here is the wind deflector, and it is, I think so, it is fake. Here are the reflectors along with the chrome treatment as well, and here is the parking camera, and here are the reverse parking sensors. So let's get inside the car. First of all, let's see the rear passenger side door. For that I have to open it, and the rear door looks something like this. Here is the chrome handle along with this opener, and here is the power window switch, and here is the bottle holder along with the speaker, and the door looks something like this. Let's get inside the car, but before that I want to show you that the headrests are fixed. That is bit of a bad thing, but let's get inside the car. Overall comfort is very good, and here are the AC vents along with the silver finish. Here is the charging socket, so I think so you are not able to see it, sorry for that, but the armrest is adjustable. Here is the rear armrest as well, and if you see the knee room, so it is too good, and the leg room is good as well. My height is 5'6", and headroom is also adequate. That is all from the rear. Here is the torch, and here is the grab handle along with the hook, but this side you will just get the grab handle. Now let's go to the front, but before that, if you want to see the look, the interior from back, so it is something like that. So in the driver door you get this request sensor, and let's open this. So it is something like this, and here is the chrome treatment. Here are some controls. This is the switch to control the auto foldable ORVM. They are the switch for electrically adjustable ORVM. It is the power window child lock. Here are the buttons to lock and unlock the car. They are the buttons of power window, and here is the space to keep stuff, and this is the umbrella holder, this is the bottle holder, this is your speaker, and here you get the tweeters. So let's get inside but before that, the driver seat is height adjustable along with recline angle and slide angle as well. So let's get inside the car. Here you get the headlight level adjuster, and this is to adjust the brightness of the instrument cluster. This is the fuse box. So let me sit inside the car and then talk. So here you get the leather wrapped steering wheel, and here are the controls for audio, and this is the control for cruise control, and you can control the MID from here, and the steering wheel is tilt adjustable, telescopic as well. So if we'll go to the central console, here is the 10-inch touch screen. Let me turn on the car. So let's first go to the MID. The MID is something like this. So if you will see the MID, it is a digital instrument cluster, and here you can see that which particular door is open, and this is the steering wheel, and here is the touch screen, and the control of the touch screen is good. It is a bit of a time consuming, but yeah, it is good. Let's do the audio check. Audio quality is decent, but here are the controls for your screen, and here are the controls for the screen as well. Here you get the automatic AC, and here is the wireless charger. You can see it now, and here is the USB plug, and here is the fast charger as well. This is the 6-speed manual transmission, and here are the silver accents. This is the handbrake along with the chrome tip, and let's open the armrest. So here is some storage as well. If you'll see the driver side sun visor, so here you get the vanity mirror, and here are some cabin lights. Here is the electronic sunroof. Let's open that. So it is one touch electric sunroof, which is so good. And let's go outside. So it looks something like this. Let me close it. It's closing like this. So here is the sunglass holder, and here is the automatically dimming IRVM. If you see passenger side sun visors, so you will get vanity mirror here as well, and here is the glove box, and this is cooled. So that is something from the interior of the car. This was the review of the all new Hyundai Verna. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you've enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. That's the like button, and subscribe to the channel as well. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching. Bye bye.